Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look using mainly drugstore makeup. I'm actually playing with a new palette which I received from NYX Cosmetics, which is absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to create kind of like a summer inspired golden eye look. So here we go. I'm going to start with priming my eyelids, and I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. This is one of the only products that isn't drugstore because I haven't found a nice drugstore dupe for this one. So this is what I'm using to prime my eyelids, and then I use some eyeshadow guards, which I sell on my website Annytude.shop, but you can also use some regular sticky tape if you don't have this at home. Now the first color I'm going in with is this white shade from the NYX palette. I will put the name of the exact palette I'm using today in the description bar so you know what products I'm playing with today. I'm using a MAC 242 brush to kind of like press this underneath the lower lash line, and then kind of sweeping my brush back and forth to kind of blend it on the skin. What this is going to do, it's going to highlight my eyebrow, which is going to give the appearance that my brow is a little bit more lifted. Then now next I'm going to take a Sigma E40 brush with this orangey color, and I'm going to start blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm really going to focus on getting this shade on the eyelid, making it as visible as possible, and just continue to blend until everything is like looking really soft. So all the brushes I'm using today by Sigma Beauty are all included in the brush kit that I created together with Sigma Beauty. I have it linked down in the description bar. The link will lead you to the website where you can purchase my brush kit. Right now I'm using the Sigma E40. It's really nice fluffy blending brush. I have been using it for years. It's perfect, especially for the step that I'm doing right now, to blend the shade like all over in the crease and make it look as soft as possible. Now I'm taking the E25 brush by Sigma, and I'm going to take this orangey color, which is a little bit brighter and also a little bit more warmer, I think. It's just kind of like a darker version of the first one I used. Kind of like pressing this in the outer V, and then with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to blend it towards my crease as well. I definitely felt like this made my whole look just warmer, so I decided to apply a lot of this shade because I really like the undertone. Now I switched to a E33 brush by Sigma as well. This is kind of like a smaller version in comparison to the E40. It's like the perfect brush that you can use to do like more precise blending in the crease. And now I'm going back in with the E25 with this shade on it, which is a little bit darker. I kind of wanted to darken up the crease, but I still think it did not really make a huge difference. So you might as well skip this step. Because I felt like it did not really make a huge difference. So now I'm going back in with the MAC 242 brush with a little bit of concealer on it. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC15, which I think is the lightest color they have in that product. It's like a really light, kind of like white vanilla kind of shade. It's like perfect for cutting the crease. And this is also my current favorite brush to cut the crease. It's like a really nice flat brush. And I'm going to create like a round shape in the crease area. Now it's going to apply it like all the way to the outer end of the eyelids. I'm kind of going to stop like almost at the end, just kind of keeping it, well, stopping it at that point. And I really took my time with this because I always want the line to be as sharp and neat as possible. So definitely take your time with this step. Now I'm going in with this color, which is kind of like a champagne, soft, yellowy golden color. It's really beautiful. The pigmentation was also really nice. So I used the same brush, the MAC 242 brush. You can also use your finger, which is gonna give you more color payoff. But to kind of like apply it as neat as possible, especially around the crease area, I felt like the brush was easier. Now taking my finger to use this golden color, this was actually a shade I wanted to apply all over the eyelids. But when I swatched it with my finger, I saw that it was not like a really full coverage kind of eyeshadow. So that's why I went in with that other eyeshadow underneath, because I felt like if I would only use this golden shade on its own, it's not gonna cover up everything. You can still see that concealer kind of like peeking through, so that's why I went in with two shades. Now using this yellow color with the E25 brush from Sigma, kind of blending it in between like the orange shade that you can still see like is blended in the crease and the outer V, and the shade on the eyelid, kind of like in between the eyelid and the outer V, if that makes sense. Now going back in with the orange color, which I used earlier to blend all in the crease. applying that in between the yellow shade and the orange, which was already at the outer V area, to kind of make everything blend together. Then now I went in with the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, which is my favorite drugstore gel eyeliner. I'm actually gonna create a wing liner, but in the video you can only see me use it above the lash line. The camera actually turned off and this whole part is missing, which was so annoying. But what I did was applying a wing liner. I will put a link in the description bar where you can see how I create my wing liner if you're curious to see how I do that. So yeah, I went in with this orangey color, the first two shades that I also used in the crease. Same going underneath the lower lash line using the Sigma E33 brush. Then now I'm gonna take the E50 flat definer brush by Sigma and pressing this brownish color like right underneath the lower lash line. This is going to make it a lot more darker. I just felt like I wanted just some darkness underneath the lower lash line, but not too dark, so I did not go in with black. I felt like brown was looking really good in combination with the shades. Now I went in with the Morphe Brushes Vibes pencil, which is a beautiful warm tone brown color. One of my favorite pencils, and I believe I only paid like $2 or $3 for this pencil, and it was worth everything. It was so good. I still use it. I think I have this pencil for 2 years, which is maybe not really hygienic, I don't know, but I just love it. So now I went in with this Maybelline mascara. I will put the name in the description bar. I'm not sure what the name is, but it's the pink with green packaging. It's a really nice one. Then I'm going in with these lashes from Tatti lashes. They are called 10 out of 10. Such a beautiful style. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram with a close-up of this eye look, and the lashes look so beautiful in that picture. So I think they are quite dramatic, but this eye look is kind of dramatic, let's be honest. So I think these lashes look actually really good in combination with this cut crease. So yeah, I just really hope you all enjoyed this video. This was actually the last step, applying the lashes. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I have some really cool videos coming for you all, which I cannot wait to show you. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. One more time, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!